morning. Here I will make a video to fulfill the final semester exam for the course on actuator and drive system, taught by Mr. Anugrah Wibisana. Before proceeding to the material, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Mika Sintesitorus with student ID or name for 222401060. Background, pneumatic or meaning. It is a word that consists of pneu, which means compressed air, and matic, which means knowledge about something. Therefore, it can be interpreted as the science related to compressor air. However, in the industrial or mechanical world, its term refers to system or tools. This tool is a power system with a drive that use pneumatic. It is useful for increasing air pressure with an air compressor, which then use that air pressure to drive various industrial equipment. Pneumatic system component have six components. The number one is compressor udara or air compressor, two actuator or cylinder pneumatic, three katup solenoid, four katup control or valves, six filter and regulator, and the last is selang udara and pipa. The application of pneumatic system in the industrial world have four example. Number one is jackhammer. A jackhammer is an automated tool in the shape of a hammer that is widely used in construction project. It uses a pneumatic system and requires an electricity supply for its operation. Two, cable jetting. Cable jetting is the process of inserting cable into pipes using air pressure. Three, sorter. The sorting system function to sort item based on shape, weight, and size. And the last, robot industry, using pneumatic actuator to lift and move object the precision. We can see that there are two circuits that I made. The first is END logics, this, and two circuit NOR logics. The first is NOR logics. NOR logics have the components that are into have four component. One cylinder tunggal, two is 3/2, I1 and I2. Next, katup logit nor not OR-nya, this. And the last, compressor air. How to be works this circuit? Air from the source flow to both push valve E1 and E2. Its push valve is connected to the input of NOR gates valve. The output of the NOR will allow air to flow only if both of its input are not present. The out this the output from the NOR goes to a single acting this to single acting cylinder. If E1 and E2 are not present, the cylinder will advance if either one or both are present. Jadi, ketika rangkaian ini dijalankan, katup akan langsung bergerak maju. Silinder tunggalnya akan bergerak maju karena dia menerima udara dari air kompresor. Nah, jika salah satu tombolnya ini ditekan seperti ini, nah, silinder tunggal akan kembali ke posisi awal. Dia akan mundur pegasnya. Tidak menerima udara dari kompresor airnya. Conclusion of Legit nor is the cylinder will only advance if no buttons are present. Nah, if either button is pressed, a signal enter the NOR and the cylinder does not receive air, retracts by the spare. Circuit 2 is Logit CND. Have five component. Number one is silinder tunggal, katup 3/2, I1 and I2, logika IND-nya, kompresor airnya, and lawan kontrol arah 3/2-nya untuk kontrolnya. How to be works this circuit? Pressure from the air source is split into two buttons E1 and E2. The output from both buttons goes into the END-Luggage valve. The END-Luggage valve only release air if both input receive pressure simultaneously or both are present at the same time. The output from END-Luggage goes into the 3 or 2 directional control valve with air control. If a END is active, the direction control valve shift position or enter the cylinder move forward. If one button is not pressed, kita tidak ditekan, the END logic valve does not flow air, the direction control valve returns. The cylinder move backward. Dia akan bergerak mundur by the spring. Jadi, eh, rangkaian kedua ini kebalikannya dari NOR Luggage yang di sebelah. Ketika ini dijalankan, posisi awalnya masih seperti ini. Nah, ini kedua tombolnya harus ditekan. Kan? Harus ditekan karena eh, dia akan maju seperti prinsipnya. Seperti ini. Nah, ketika tombol ini ditekan, dia akan otomatis mundur. Katup logika ini hanya mengeluarkan udara jika kedua kedua ini katup I1 dan I2-nya ditekan. Nah, output dari AND ini masuk ke kontrol arah 3/2 dengan kontrol udara dari air compressor. Jika AND aktif, katup kontrol arah aktif. Nih, jika salah satu tombol, jika salah satu tombol tidak ditekan, katup AND seperti ini. Nah, dia tidak akan eh, mengalirkan udara untuk mengirim ke katup kontrolnya itu akan kembali lagi ke bentuk awal ini. Silinder mundur oleh pegasnya. Nah, jadi nih seperti ini ketika ditekan, that, 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 mundur kan? Silinder hanya akan maju jika kedua tombol ditekan bersamaan. Bila hanya satu atau tidak ada yang ditekan, maka silinder itu akan kembali ke pegas awalnya atau bentuk awalnya mundur. The conclusion for in the luggage, the cylinder will only move forward if both buttons are pressed at the same time. If only one or none is pressed, the cylinder returns to the spring.